You are watching for the greater good.
So the first step is to learn Numpy. One of the resources which I found useful is DataQuest. Just Google it and click on the first link. Click on Join and Try Free button, which will take you to the sign up page. After filling all your credentials, create your account. Which path do you want to start with? Click on Data Scientist in Python. Now if you are not comfortable with Python, then start with the basics, else you can skip the basics. Choose any one of it and go ahead. Click on Get Started and it will take you to your first chapter, which is on Numpy and Pandas. The good thing about this is that you get to code and practice instantly. In order to get more insight in Pandas module, visit Corey Schafer YouTube channel and there you can find playlist on Pandas. For data visualization, you would have to learn Matplotlib module on Python. You can learn this from Corey Schafer channel or Sentdex channel, it's your choice. After you are through with step 4, now it's time to start with machine learning. I think this is the best book on machine learning. Though, you would be worrying that reading a book can take ages. No need to worry, just read chapter 1 and 2 carefully, along with code provided on GitHub link which is given in the book, grasping everything, and you will see the magic. Now it's time to get your hands dirty. We have already posted our first machine learning project after going through all the previous 6 steps. This video will give you intuition of where will you stand after following these 6 steps.